What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make this delicious, savory, packed with a bunch of flavor, pineapple stewed chicken. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're going to start this recipe off by slicing and dicing pineapple, alright? So we're going to peel it, going to remove the skin. This is super ripe. This is going to add a nice, sweet, sugary flavor, to our pineapple stewed chicken today, guys. Alright, just set the skin aside for a second. Alright, now we're going to cut it in half. And then we're just going to try to remove this inside piece. Repeat the same step, guys, for the other pieces. Alright, so now it's nice and clean. We're just going to give it a nice medium-sized dice. Alright guys, so now we're going to set this aside and start cleaning our chicken leg quarters, alright? Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're just going to cut this in half. Separate the leg from the thigh. And then we're going to remove the skin. Just like that. Remove the skin. And repeat the same step for the drumsticks. Then you want to remove any extra fat from the side. Just trim it off just like that. And also we're going to clean out, the inside of the thigh as well. And after we're done removing, these extra stuff and the skin, we're just gonna rinse it off with some lime, water, make sure it's nice and clean, add our seasoning, and then we'll start frying. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're gonna add some fresh squeezed lime juice, just to remove some of that extra rawness and clean up the chicken nice and proper. You understand? So now we're going to turn on some water up on top of it. Drain off some of that water. And then we're going to give it a second rinse. Alright, so you're just going to drain off that water right about now. And then we're going to add our seasoning. Alright, after you add the seasoning, guys, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to start frying, adding all the other ingredients, and let it cook. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so here I have my seasoning, my dry seasoning. Alright, so I have some onion powder, curry powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, some complete seasoning, paprika, Szechuan seasoning, and chicken seasoning. Alright, I'll have the correct measurement in the description of the video. So you want to mix all these lovely seasoning together, guys. Mix it up nice and proper until it's evenly combined, evenly mixed. Alright, and now we're just gonna combine the seasoning with the chicken. Drop it on top, just like that. And the measurement for each one of these powder seasoning is 1 teaspoon to be exact. But like I said, I'll have everything written down in the description of the video. We're just gonna add about a drizzle, just a tad of vegetable oil. Mix it up, rub it up. Yeah, man. The chicken is not even cooked yet and it's smelling good, guys. See there? Rub it up. Yeah. Well seasoned. Alright, so like I said, guys, marinate the chicken for 30 minutes and then we're going to move on to the next step. Alright, I'm going to clean up the kitchen a little bit, wash my hand on them thing there and get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Yes, alright, now we're going to add some oil. Alright, watch what I go on. So you want to add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Vegetable oil, canola oil, olive oil, any type of oil you have. Alright, let's add that. Ooh. And once your pan is nice and hot, guys, I'd start adding your chicken and we're going to sear them. We're just going to try to sear it to get a nice brown color. Then we're going to remove it, transfer it from this pan to the other one, and then we're going to add the other ingredients. Alright, so you want to turn the stove to about a high heat just for searing, and then eventually we'll gradually, reduce the heat and all that good stuff. Add that in, listen for that sizzle, and you should be good. Yeah, man. Chicken smell good. And once we have the desired color we're looking for, guys, we're going to remove it from the pan. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah, man, so time to flip the chicken, alright? Yeah, man, that's nice and golden. The exact color we're looking for right now. So you want to sear your chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side before removing from the frying pan, alright? Alright guys, so after finish searing your chicken, you want to add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter to a new pot, clean pot, alright? And then we're going to drop that in. Then we're going to add our pineapple that we chopped and diced earlier. Here I have some fresh seasoning, right? So I have some onion. This is half onion, half yellow onion, about half Scotch bonnet pepper, some thyme. This is about, I'll say 2 tablespoons. I have 2 stalks of green onion and about a tablespoon of crushed ginger with some carrot, all right? Drop that in. Mix it up a little bit, you know, just to make sure everything is nicely, evenly combined. It's already smelling good, guys. I'm telling you, already smelling good. This is a must-try pineapple stew chicken recipe. If you've never had pineapple with your chicken, you definitely need to try it. All right, so now we're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups of water, and then we're gonna cook our chicken for about 30 to 35 minutes on medium-high heat, guys. All right, so you wanna add your water. So you just wanna fill it up halfway, about 3/4 of the way up, just like that. Cover the chicken a little bit. All right, this is not chicken soup. We're stewing the chicken, so you don't need all that water. And then we're gonna close it down, guys, and let the pot and the heat do the work. Stay tuned. Yes, guys, so right about now we're about to add about a tablespoon of sugar. Brown sugar. That's gonna add a nice little sweetness, you know, to this recipe right here. And as you can see, we have 13 minutes left, all right, on the timer. All right, stir it up a little bit. And we're just gonna continue to let it cook, guys. It's smelling so freaking good right now. Ooh, yes, yes. All right, guys, keep watching the video. Don't go nowhere. Yes, guys, so this is the pineapple stew chicken. You know, after cooking it for about 30-35 minutes, this is what it's looking like. You know, the chicken is nice and tender. You see, look on the gravy right there, so what's that? Nice and thick. Smelling good. Oh my God. Oh yes, guys, so this is it. Pineapple stew chicken. This is a must-try recipe, guys. I'm gonna let it cool down a little bit and then I'll do a taste test for y'all. Oh yes. Yo, the chicken's soft. What's that? Tender, juicy. Yo, it's just so good. I'm already, you know, I'm tasting the pineapple all the way through. Trust me. Wow. You're getting the sweetness from the sugar, the pineapple, the little spice from the Scotch bonnet, and all the natural herbs and spices combined together, guys. This is like the best thing since sliced bread. Best thing since sliced bread right now. Oh. Guys, let me tell you, must try recipe. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace.